In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency settings on your site and add a currency converter for your store. Whether you're an online shop owner or just setting up your site, managing currencies is an essential part of catering to a global audience. Let's kick things off with adjusting your site's currency settings. First, you'll want to navigate to your site's dashboard. This is essentially the command center for your website management. Once you're there, look for the Settings option. This tab is where you customize how your site functions, making sure it aligns with your needs and the preferences of your audience. Under Settings, you'll find Language and Region. This is where you adjust the location-specific settings of your site. Scroll down until you reach the Currency section. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu presenting various currency options. This is where the magic happens. Choose your desired currency, the one you want to use across your site. Once you've selected it, make sure to click Save. This action ensures that your changes are not lost, and your site reflects the updated currency every time a visitor makes a transaction or views a price. Now, let's talk about adding a currency converter for your store. Offering a currency converter is a great way to provide an enhanced shopping experience for international customers, allowing them to view prices in their local currency effortlessly. To do this, you'll need to access your website editor. On the left side, you'll see a feature called Add Elements. It's packed with tools you can add to your site. Under Add Elements, click on Store. Here, you'll find the Currency Converter, an invaluable tool that lets your customers switch currencies with ease. Just drag and drop this converter onto the page where you want your visitors to see it. Now it's time to set it up. Click the converter element you've just added, and then click Settings. You'll be directed to a list of options, one of which is the Currencies tab. This is your chance to customize which currencies appear on your converter. Look for the option to Add Currency. Here, select all the currencies you'd like your customers to have access to. This way, they can easily convert prices to their preferred currency. Make sure to click Save once you've made your selections. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you're all set to accommodate a wider audience with diverse currency needs. This not only enhances user experience, but also can potentially boost your sales. As your site evolves, you can always revisit these settings to make adjustments as needed. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!